Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make easy nachos at home. First, gather all your ingredients. You'll need a bag of your favorite tortilla chips, about 8 ounces of shredded cheese, and any toppings you love, like salsa, jalapenos, or cooked ground beef. Having everything ready before you start makes the process super smooth and quick. This simple preparation ensures a delicious snack is just minutes away, perfect for any occasion. Now, let's build those delicious layers. Start by spreading a single layer of sturdy tortilla chips on a baking sheet. This ensures every chip gets some cheesy goodness. Next, sprinkle about 1/2 of your shredded cheese over the chips. If you're adding cooked meat or beans, distribute them evenly over this first cheese layer. This layering technique helps prevent soggy chips and ensures a great cheese-to-chip ratio. It's time to bake. Place your layered nachos in a preheated oven at 350 degrees Fahrenheit for about 8 to 10 minutes, or until the cheese is perfectly melted and bubbly. Once out of the oven, immediately add your fresh, cold toppings like diced tomatoes, green onions, or cilantro. The contrast of hot and cold textures is key to amazing nachos. Serve them right away to enjoy that perfect crispness. Your homemade nachos are ready to be devoured. Serve them hot, straight from the pan, with a selection of your favorite dips. Sour cream, guacamole, and extra salsa are always popular choices. Remember, the best nachos are the ones you customize to your taste. Don't forget to check the description for a link to the new Kindle Paperwhite, along with other great deals. Enjoy your fantastic, easy-to-make nachos, perfect for any gathering or a cozy night in.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.